All right, guys, so I figured I would take the old scooter out real quick and see if we can go catch some Pokemon. Try something new for the channel. So let me put this scooter. I'll do a review on this scooter sometime. She's a beast. But let's head down the hill and then we'll see if we can find some Pokemon. I'll turn my light on. All right, let's do this. Haven't ridden it a couple of days. Oh no. All right, brakes are working now. That was kind of scary for a second there. They weren't working for a second, but they are now, so let's go down the hill. If you look to the right here, you'll see the trash point. I mentioned that in my last video. That's the collection point for the trash. So we bring down our food and the recyclables there and just sit them on the side of the road, and then the trash people come there and pick them up in the morning. So my love for Pokemon started back in probably like 2000 when Pokemon first came out. I was a nerd in school, middle school and high school. I know, don't judge me. But anyway, I collected cards. You know, me and my best friend Wilbur, we would trade cards, and I still have those cards. And I feel like some of them might be worth some money. So when I get back to the United States, I am gonna find my Pokemon cards. If I need to get them appraised, I'm gonna get them appraised, and maybe I'll do a video, but I will sell them if it's worth money to the highest bidder. Hopefully it's enough to buy me a GTR. Probably not, but I can always hope. So let me know in the comments if you like Pokemon, if you've ever played the game. You know, if you're a fanboy like me from the old days when it first came out, let me know in the comments. Let's stop right here. See what hope there's no update for this thing. So let's see what Pokemon we got in this area. Haven't turned this on in a while, so oh, we got some Cubones. Claim reward, of course. You know, I walk a lot, so every time I turn it on, I get about 50 Pokeballs and hatch all the eggs that I had. Magikarp, come on. Really? All right, let's incubate another one. All right, now, Cubone. Oh, gotta manage Pokemon. Catch something here. We got a Cubone. Oops. Look at these flowers behind me, or whatever those are, bushes or something. Aren't they pretty? All right, Cubone, get in there. Stay in your Pokeball. Finally. I wonder if there's some event going on or something, because there's a lot of Cubones around.
All right, let's go up the road. There's a Pokestop on the map. I think it's, where is it at? Right there. You see the Pokestop right down here? So there's a gym down there. We could go to that gym and probably battle it. So let's do that. That's down the road. All right. See, my brakes work. Actually, I need to adjust something here because something's going on. This doesn't feel right. I don't know if it was this thing that got messed up or what happened. All right. Let's wait for these cars to go. Alrighty, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, we got a tractor up here. That's cool. Ow, that hurt. Whoa, tractor! All right, we're here. I think this is where the Pokestop is, so we'll check. Let's see. Yep, here we are. Of course, bag is full. Oh wow, look at all that. Ooh, is that a crocodile? Crocodile, yeah. 1,300 too. Get him some berries. Come on now, stay in there. I'll use an Ultra. I have enough, you know, it's not a big deal. Come on, stay, good boy, good boy. Yeah, I guess I already have that, but oh well, we got another one. All right, let's while we're here real quick, let's just get this gym out of the way. Yeah, let's just go. All right, here we go. Yeah, I mean I feel sorry for the yellow team person that put this Pokemon in here, because you need a little bit more powerful one. Yeah. Who is this person anyway? Rock for Run. Huh. Interesting. All right, let's finish this off. Yeah. We beat it. What do you know? All right, what do we want to put in there? Like something cool, you know? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's look at my top. Not that combat power. What are you thinking? Dragonite, Exeggutor. Let's put Gyarados in here. Let's give him a berry. Alright. So we'll put him in there. That's always good. What are all these little funny looking things? I don't know if I have this Pokemon. Oh, he's a feisty little guy. Litwick. Yeah, that's a new one. Huh, it's like a candle. How original. Let's transfer it because I can catch probably something that's a little better than that. We got a Sandshrew. That's cool. I remember they had a Sandshrew like a special thing going on. It's probably last year now, honestly. Where they had a bunch of shiny Sandshrews and ice Sandshrews. Yeah, we'll transfer him. We don't need that guy. Let me catch one more of these little Litwicks, and I'll keep it as my Pokemon. And there you have it. All right, that's probably good. All right, so we got a couple. Got a new one. Got a Pokemon in the gym, so that's good. Here we are. Today is the 2nd of November, 2022. It's actually kind of cold out here. Let me see what the temperature is. It says 61. Okay, 61. I guess it's not that cold. It feels cooler. It feels colder than that, but as you can see, it's fall here. So, you know, leaves are falling, hills are changing colors, flowers are, you know, dying or whatever flowers do. So, yeah, it looks like they trimmed this little bush up here. So they're trimming up this stuff, preparing for winter. So that's cool. Here's the scooter. It is a Nano wheel dual theory. It has 2 motors. One in the front, one in the back. I think it's like 3,200 watts total of power. It's got suspension. It's got lights. You can't see the lights on the side, or maybe you can. You see them right here. It's like flashing. It's got a brake light. It's a nice scooter. I'm excited to take it back to the States. So anyway, that's probably going to sum up this video. Just wanted to put a quick video up and go riding a little bit, catch some Pokemon. Let me know in the comments if you like the Pokemon thing. We can go out, walk through the cities and catch Pokemon. I'm sure there's a lot more stuff. I need to upgrade my bag so I can catch more. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.